4 teeth. See? 5.
15 teeth. I've lost 6.
She has a gold crown, big eyes, fluffy wings, a colorful dress, and a magical wand. Pink hair, pink wings, and a pink shirt and pink leggings.
She has her hair like this in a ponytail, and it's all curly and it's rainbow.
She's a fairy with a purple glow.
She has rainbow hair and a big pink and pink and blue and purple and green fluffy toot. This big fluffy toot.
Blonde hair and glasses and with lens made out of teeth. and she always wears her pretty pink dress, and she has white wings.
I think she's yellow.
She has brown hair and a pink dress and is tall and skinny. She's pink and have a crown.
A crown?
She has like a dress that's like orangish green that's like a leaf, and she wears it all the time, and leaf shoes that have fuzzballs on it. Yellow hair, blue eyes, and a pretty dress.
And I think she's pretty like my mom. She's pretty and she's magic.
I think she's really pretty. I think she's pretty. She's beautiful.
She must be pretty.
The Tooth Fairy is either 33 or 38.
50. And I think the Tooth Fairy's name Logan.
Is Delana.
Emily.
I think she lives in California or Hollywood.
A magical castle filled with lots of teeth. And fairyland. The Tooth Fairy lives at a hotel.